How to send TikTok video in WhatsApp without a link. Want to share TikTok videos on WhatsApp without just sending a link? I'll show you a quick and easy way to do it, so let's get started. First things first, open the TikTok app and make sure you're logged into the account that you want to find the video. Just find the video you want to share, tap the share arrow, and from there simply look for WhatsApp in the sharing options. Now select the contact or group and simply send it like this. Click on next and you can simply send it. Now as you can see here, this has simply shown or sent the video like this. But if you don't want to send the video with a link itself, then what you can do is simply tap on it, click on the share icon again and tap on save video. It will take a minute or so to simply download the video. Simply go to WhatsApp again once you've downloaded the video. Now all you can do is simply tap on the person like this and tap on the plus and simply choose the photos icon. As you can see, we have downloaded the video. Simply click on send, and that's it. That's how you can simply share TikTok videos on WhatsApp without just sending a link.